Welcome to Travel Partner. We're so glad you're here, ready to embark on a journey to one of Japan's most enchanting cities. Today, we're diving into the heart of Kyoto, where ancient tradition meets vibrant modern life. Imagine wandering through lantern-lit streets where centuries-old temples stand beside lively markets and cozy cafes. Travel is about connection, connecting with places, cultures, and each other. In Kyoto, every moment is a chance to make new friends and lasting memories. Our mission? To help you experience the magic of Kyoto, no matter your budget. Whether you're a solo explorer or traveling with friends, we've got you covered. You don't need a fortune for a meaningful adventure, just curiosity and a little planning. With the right tips, Kyoto opens up to everyone. If you love hidden gems and insider tips, subscribe to our newsletter for more travel inspiration. We'll keep you updated with the best local finds and budget hacks. Kyoto is a city of serene temples, stunning gardens, and timeless beauty. Every corner tells a story, from tranquil Zen gardens to golden pavilions shimmering in the sun. Many think it's expensive, but we'll show you how to explore deeply and affordably. Savor delicious street food, stay in cozy guest houses, and discover free cultural treasures. We'll walk you through a 3-day itinerary packed with culture, beauty, and authentic experiences, all for just $300. You'll see the best of Kyoto without missing out. Think of me as your friend on the ground, sharing secrets to make your trip unforgettable. I'll guide you to hidden spots and local favorites. Ready to discover Kyoto's elegance without breaking the bank? Pack your bags and bring your sense of wonder. Let's get started on this incredible adventure. Kyoto awaits. Let's go. Your journey begins now. Here's our challenge. 3 days in Kyoto with just $300. That's $100 a day to cover everything: food, transport, and attractions. It might sound tight, but it's more than enough if you know where to look and how to spend wisely. Careful budgeting lets you savor Kyoto's flavors, sights, and traditions without breaking the bank. With a little planning, you can stretch every yen and still enjoy the city's best experiences. In fact, traveling on a budget is often the best way to discover the city's authentic side. You'll find yourself wandering off the beaten path, exploring neighborhoods where locals live, work, and relax. Budget travel means eating where locals eat, finding hidden corners, and appreciating simple, beautiful moments. It's about savoring a bowl of ramen in a tiny shop or stumbling upon a peaceful shrine tucked away from the crowds. We'll focus on affordable eats, efficient buses, and a few must-see temples, plus plenty of free experiences. Street food stalls, local markets, and public transport will be our best friends. Kyoto's magic isn't in pricey tours, but in Zen gardens, lively markets, and wandering historic streets. The city's spirit is found in its everyday life, not just its famous landmarks. We'll prioritize experiences that connect us to the city's soul, like chatting with locals, joining a traditional activity, or simply observing daily rituals. Expect strolls through the lantern-lit streets of Gion, hikes up the iconic Fushimi Inari Shrine steps, and quiet moments in temple gardens where time seems to slow down. Every choice we make is about maximizing culture and minimizing spending. It's about being intentional, seeking out value, and making memories that last. You'll leave with stories, not just photos, like discovering the best noodles in a hidden alley or enjoying a peaceful morning in a centuries-old garden. This is the beauty of budget travel. It brings you closer to the heart of Kyoto, making every moment feel more meaningful. Let's make every yen count and experience Kyoto in the most rewarding way possible. Day 1 begins in the enchanting Arashiyama district, nestled in Kyoto's eastern hills. This area is famous for its timeless beauty, where ancient temples and winding lanes transport you to another era. Start your morning with a quick, delicious breakfast from a local convenience store, onigiri and green tea for just $3. It's a simple meal, but it's a true taste of everyday life in Japan, fueling you for a day of adventure. Next, make your way to the iconic Kiyomizu-dera Temple. For a $4 entry fee, step through its historic gates and join visitors from around the world who come to admire its grandeur. From the temple's famous wooden stage, gaze out over Kyoto's rooftops and distant mountains. The panoramic view is truly breathtaking, especially in the soft morning light. Afterward, wander down the charming Saninzaka and Ninenzaka lanes, stone-paved streets lined with preserved wooden houses, cozy tea houses, and artisan shops. These historic paths are free to explore and perfect for a leisurely stroll. Take your time to soak in the nostalgic ambiance, snap photos of the traditional architecture, and maybe pick up a handcrafted souvenir or two. For lunch, stop at a local noodle shop and enjoy a steaming bowl of noodles for $8. It's a comforting meal, perfect for recharging before more exploring. Continue north, passing the striking Yasaka Pagoda until you reach Yasaka Shrine. This vibrant shrine is free to enter and always bustling with locals and visitors alike, offering a glimpse into Kyoto's spiritual traditions. As dusk settles, the magic of Gion comes alive. Stroll through lantern-lit streets where you might catch a fleeting glimpse of a geiko, or Maiko gracefully hurrying to an evening engagement, a scene unique to Kyoto. For dinner, savor a hearty gyudon, beef bowl, at a local chain for just $5. It's quick, filling, and a favorite among locals. At the end of the day, your total spending is about $20, a budget-friendly way to experience Kyoto's wonders. As night falls and the city glows, you'll realize Kyoto's magic is just beginning, inviting you to discover even more tomorrow. Day 2 takes us northwest for iconic sights and peaceful moments. Start with a $4 breakfast from a konbini, then visit Kinkakuji, the Golden Pavilion, $4 entry. Marvel at the gold leaf temple reflected in the pond, an unforgettable sight. Stroll through the gardens before heading to Ryoanji Temple, $5, home to the famous Zen rock garden. Sit on the veranda, gaze at the mysterious arrangement, and enjoy a moment of stillness. Lunch nearby, curry rice for $7. In the afternoon, explore Arashiyama's bamboo grove, free and magical. Walk along the scenic Hazugawa River instead of pricey boat rides. Dinner back in central Kyoto Gyoza for $6. Day 2, total, around $26. Kyoto's beauty is everywhere, often for free. Our final day is all about vibrant colors and flavors. Start early at Fushimi Inari Shrine, thousands of vermilion torii gates, free to explore. Hike as far as you like. The further you go, the quieter it gets. After a $3 breakfast, take in the spiritual atmosphere and stunning photo ops. Head to Nishiki Market, Kyoto's kitchen, for a lunch of street snacks, grilled squid, mochi, and more, all for about $10. Sample, explore, and enjoy the lively market vibe. Don't forget to subscribe to our newsletter for more travel tips. Try something new. Adventure is part of the fun. Kyoto's flavors are unforgettable. Let's savor every bite. Eating well in Kyoto doesn't require a big budget. Convenience stores, konbini, are your best friend. Onigiri, bento, and fresh sandwiches for just a few dollars. For breakfast, grab a pastry and canned coffee for under $3. Lunch, a bento box for $5. Seek out ramen shops for a steaming bowl of noodles, $7.99, or gyudon chains for a beef bowl, $5. Street food and market stalls offer takoyaki, yakitori, and more, perfect for snacking your way through Nishiki Market. Department store food halls, Depachika, have discounted meals late in the day. Eat like a local, spend like a pro. Delicious, affordable food is everywhere. Just look around. Kyoto's culinary adventure is within reach. Kyoto's public transport is perfect for budget travelers. The city bus network covers all major sites. Grab a Kyoto City Bus one-day pass for $7 and ride unlimited all day. If you take 3 or more rides, you're already saving money. Buy passes at Kyoto Station, vending machines, or from the bus driver. Just insert the pass once, then show it for the rest of the day. Walking is free and lets you discover hidden gems. Our itinerary groups attractions for easy strolls. Day 1, for example, is entirely walkable from Kiyomizu-dera to Gion. Combine the bus pass with comfy shoes for the ultimate affordable adventure. Getting around Kyoto is easy, scenic, and budget-friendly. Let's explore every corner. Want to make your $300 go even further? Here are some pro tips. Carry a reusable water bottle. Kyoto's tap water is safe and free. Prioritize free attractions: Fushimi Inari, Arashiyama Bamboo Grove, and historic districts. For souvenirs, visit 100-yen shops like Daiso for unique, affordable gifts. Use free Wi-Fi at convenience stores and stations to avoid data charges. Travel in shoulder seasons for lower prices and fewer crowds. Plan your day. Temples close early, so visit ticketed spots first. Small changes add up to big savings. Smart choices mean more memories. Our 3-day Kyoto adventure wraps up here. We've explored temples, markets, and hidden alleys, all on a $300 budget. Travel isn't about how much you spend, but the richness of your experiences. Let this guide inspire your own journey. Wander, be curious, and make it your own. The real magic is in the moments you create. Thank you for joining me and Travel Partner on this virtual trip. If you're inspired, subscribe to our newsletter for more guides and tips. Until next time, travel safely and with an open heart. Kyoto's beauty is waiting for you. Never stop exploring.